Hey everyone, my name is Shana Bull. I'm a digital storyteller and marketing educator, and I wanted to teach you all about Canva Pro and how you can use their their designs and make it your own. So you can change up the colors, the fonts, you can add your logo, and you can create quote images that you find maybe on Pinterest or somewhere that you think is funny, but then you can turn it into your own branding. So when you share it on social media, it isn't just a screenshot of someone else's meme, it's your own. So that when your customers or people that are following you, they might want to share it, then they're sharing your brand. And it just gets your business out to even more people. So I'm here on Canva Pro, which is such a fun graphic design website. I got the pro version because it's it is about $119 a year, and it is so worth it because I create everything on here: presentations, Instagram posts, PDFs that I use for lead magnets, a whole bunch of stuff. So today I just want to talk about social media content, specifically quote images. But if you are interested, definitely get Canva Pro because you can see right here the brand kit. You don't have that on the free version. And this is where you can kind of save all your brand colors, your fonts, your logos, everything like that. So you can quickly make images that fit your branding. So let's start. This is the homepage right here. You can, search something. You can kind of just click Instagram posts, whatever. I have a bunch of designs, but here it's almost Valentine's Day. So I'm going to create a cute Valentine's Day post. So this is how it would be just as is. But over here, if I click styles, you can see my brand colors. I have a lot of them because I love color. My husband only has a few. He loves color, but he is more muted. And then with all my PDFs. So I just click on this and it changes up the color of the text. So it would change up the color of the background too if that wasn't a photo. So see, I can quickly change up the color, and then I can click up here and I can change up the fonts, which is great. And then I can go in and edit and change up everything, whatever I want. But it's pretty cool to be able to quickly do that so you can just make it your own. Then in photos, you can have uploaded photos of anything you want, stuff that you've taken, pictures that you've taken, but they also have a really large collection of photos that you can only use if you're using the Canva Pro. So I can go in and add this photo. I think this one's fun. So see, you can make it there, and then you can click on this and you can move it around. And then if I wanted to, I can change up these colors to fit my branding, and I can make it extra big. So it's pretty cool what you can do. I can also go in and add, I can go into folders and add my logo. So if I wanted to add just an extra thing of branding, I can just go in and add my logo to the bottom here, and I click download, and I can schedule this post for Valentine's Day on February 14th. And you can do that with your own brand, and you can change up the text if you want, if you find something that is applicable to your brand. It's kind of fun. So let me know how you use Canva. There's a lot more to it, but I just wanted to focus on changing up your brand aesthetic, your colors and your fonts, and how quickly you can do that. All right. Have a great day.